Watch how to make the most perfect, juicy turkey you have ever ate. Okay, we're going to begin with the gross part, but if you're new to cooking a turkey, this is something you have to do or you are going to have a mess. You need to check the main cavity and the neck cavity and pull out any packaging and the neck bone. You can save these to make your broth for your gravy, or you can discard it. Then you're going to rinse your turkey off really good. Next, we're going to brine the turkey. You will need to put it in a container that it will fit in the refrigerator, like a stainless steel pot, a bucket, or a brining bag. I like this brining bag. There's a link to it in my blog if you want to try it. It's very big, heavy duty, and easy to use. To make the brine, you're going to dissolve coarse kosher salt with brown sugar and hot water. Then you're going to mix in apple juice and ice. Then you're going to submerge your turkey in the brine and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. No more than 12. I recommend 8 to 10 hours. The brine is important because it's what makes the turkey tender, flavorful, and juicy. The exact measurements of the brine will depend on the size of your turkey, and you can find the recipe and the measurements on my blog post. Discard all of the brine when you're ready to cook the turkey. When ready to cook, place an oven-safe thermometer in the thickest part of the turkey breast, making sure it does not touch the bone. If your turkey has a pop-up thermometer inside the breast, ignore it. Those are not reliable. Place your turkey on a rack in a roasting pan and cook at 325 degrees uncovered. In the last hour of cooking, mix melted butter and maple syrup. Then baste your turkey every 15 minutes. This is going to give your turkey that beautiful brown glaze that makes it look like it's coming out of a cooking magazine. It takes about 15 minutes per pound to cook your turkey. Using an oven thermometer is really the best way to ensure you're going to have a juicy turkey to make sure it's not overcooked. You want the temperature of the breast to reach 165 degrees, then remove it from the oven, and then you're going to let it rest. Do not touch that turkey immediately. Let it rest. Resting allows the juice in the meat to redistribute evenly. If you carve it too soon, it will lose some of that lovely juice. It also allows the meat to firm back up a bit, allowing it to be easier for carving. Ideally, you should rest your turkey for about 30 minutes. You do not want to do anything less than 20 minutes. You can use this resting time to set out all your side dishes to go with your turkey. For more tips and full recipe, visit aforkstale.com.